Before Dalton's atomic theory, the great philosopher Democritus was one of the first people to suggest the existence of an atom, but he believed that atoms were invisible and indestructible.
He was a meteorologist, keeping daily records of the weather for 57 years. His fascination with weather and the atmosphere led to his research into the nature of gases, which in turn became the foundation on which he built his atomic theory.
Dalton was the first person to explain atoms' chemical behavior. He transformed Democritus's ideas on atoms into a scientific theory.
Dalton's theory quickly became the theoretical foundation in chemistry.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be interviewing John Dalton, who in fact has contributed a lot to chemistry. So right now we'll be asking him some questions. Enjoy.
Hello, John Dalton.
Hello.
So, how did you do it?
Well, if I do so remember, looking at clouds one day in the park, a unicorn! I discovered that using chemistry, I could figure out the properties of gases even better.
So, Dalton, can you explain your atomic theory?
Why, yes, of course. My atomic theory consists of 4 parts. 1. That all elements are composed of tiny individual particles called atoms. 2. Atoms of the same element are identical. The atoms of any one element are different from those of any other element. 3. Atoms of different elements can physically mix together or can chemically combine in simple whole number ratios to form compounds. 4. Chemical reactions occur when atoms are separated, joined, or rearranged. Atoms of one element, however, are never changed into atoms of another element as a result of a chemical reaction.
Wow!
John Dalton, sir. Can you explain in fuller detail?
Well, splitting water through electrolysis proved that the ratio of hydrogen was twice the amount of oxygen, and going upon Democritus's theory that atoms cannot be broken, which was later proven to be untrue, I deduced that the molecule water was made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom.
Very interesting.
Here we see that atoms of element A are all identical. And here we see that atoms of element B are identical but different from those of element A. Behind me we see a mixture of atoms of elements A and B. And now here's the compound made by chemically combining atoms of elements A and B.
This is my melody, and it's just the Ravers fantasy. 'Cause I know if you're in love with me tonight, raving through the night. This is my melody, and it's just the Ravers fantasy.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Contributed a lot to the chemistry of science. John Dalton suck.
It's good.
What's up it? I'm done.
Okay.